Riwruok maked ne ratiro mag lakteche pachoka KMPDU dwaro ler malong'o kokalo kuom nonro ne sekta mathieth mibadhi ma riwruogno wacho ni otimo newa. KMPDU kokalo kuom telo mare ogolo ripot mare mar higa 2022 2024 kama giseyo sirkal kuom chiwo orak mag sekta mag thieth e yor ma ochochni kendo ma opong' kod mibadhi. Gino makoro miyo sektano yudo lal kendo yudo mwandu mar ng'enygi ntiere piny.
The equipment supply did not meet expectations and may have been no longer sellable in the European markets. Costs for such equipments have been taken from strained county healthcare budgets. Without assessing public health needs in local communities, there is no public information, even for county health facilities, on how the equipment supply contracts.
You go to Nairobi, we have close to 22 facilities that are not functional. You go to like Gisi, close to 17 facilities not functional. Why? What is the driver? It's because at least they have a way, an avenue of ensuring that they put it like a tender, but money ends in